Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 13. Sports.
Did you go to the basketball game on Friday?
No, I couldn't make it.
You missed a really good game.
Oh, really? Who won?
Our school did. They played really well.
Too bad I was busy. I really wanted to go.
Yeah, you should have. It was really exciting.
So what was the score?
The score was 101-98.
Man, that was a really close game.
That's what made it so great.
I'll make sure and make it to the next one.
Were you able to attend Friday night's basketball game?
I was unable to make it.
You should have been there. It was intense.
Is that right? Who ended up winning?
Our team was victorious.
I wish I was free that night. I'm kind of mad that I didn't go.
It was a great game.
What was the score at the end of the game?
Our team won 101-98.
Sounds like it was a close game.
That's the reason it was such a great game.
Next game, I will definitely be there.
I was meaning to ask you if you saw the basketball game on Friday.
I wanted to go, but I couldn't.
It was a great game.
It's too bad that I couldn't make it. Who won?
Our team played hard and won.
I really wish I went to the game.
It was the best game ever.
So tell me the final score.
The other team lost by 3 points, 101-98.
It must have been a close game.
It really was. You should have gone.
Hopefully, I'll make it to the next one. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.